Connect the network cable here. The network light is on. And there is no exclamation mark means it is connected. If there is an exclamation mark, it means there is a problem. Then we click the menu button. Click on the communication settings. Click on network. Then there is an Ethernet network. Click on it. Now this is automatically obtaining an IP address. If you want to set a fixed IP address, check this box. Then enter the IP address you need. After settings, click Save. Now let's talk about connecting to Wi-Fi. To connect to Wi-Fi, click on this Wi-Fi and click the search button. Then click on the Wi-Fi you need to connect to. Enter the password here. Default automatic IP acquisition. If you need a fixed IP, you can also check this box. Then enter the IP you need to set. This is automatic reconnect. You can check this box. Now we click this connect. Now it's connected and the IP is 31.47. Okay, let's close it now. Then let's check the server mode. In server mode, there is a sending method. There are many modes, which can be set according to your needs. Here is a communication protocol. It is the output format. There are so many types. You can choose it based on your needs. There are 2 IPs. Now we have to networks Wi-Fi and Ethernet. If you need to switch, you can switch here. And here is the server port number. You can set port number by yourself. Then click Save. Then check the client mode. Let's first look at the server mode. In server mode, the IP address is 31.126. Let's test it. Open the Communication Debugging Assistant. Then select the client mode, because if your scale is server, the computer needs to be client. Then select this IP address, same as scale 31.126. And this port number is the same as scale 8800. Then click Connect. After clicking Connect, you can see the data being sent, which means the connection is successful. In client mode, it's the same here. There are many sending methods you can choose. There is also a communication protocol output format. Because we ray using scale as clients, and the computer is the server, we need to fill in the computer's IP address. My computer's IP address is 192.168.3.1.59. Then I set the same here. I set the port number to 8800. We have a heartbeat interval. If you need to set it, you can also set it. Then we still open this test tool. If the scale is used as the client, our computer will be the server. Select Server at Computer. Select IP address to 31.59. Enter your local IP address. Then click Open. You can see that the data is being sent, indicating that it has been connected.